Xfinity Mobile just updated their unlimited plan with a great family discount. They're calling their new plan the lowest entry price for unlimited data on the market, and you can get unlimited data for just $30 per line with 4 lines. But it turns out Xfinity Mobile's plan isn't actually unlimited, and it's not even the cheapest plan out there. So is Xfinity Mobile's new discount even that great? In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about Xfinity Mobile and their new unlimited plan. We'll cover features and support, why it's not actually unlimited, how it compares to the competition, and if it's worth signing up for. Hi, I'm Stetson, and I review cell phone plans. My goal is to help you save money on your cell phone bill, and I even designed and built BestPhonePlans.net to help make it easy to find and compare plans. Timestamps are in the video description, and let's get into it. Xfinity Mobile is an MVNO that uses the Verizon network for coverage. They offer 2 types of plans to choose from: by the gig and unlimited, and you do have to be an existing Xfinity customer in order to sign up. The by the gig plans are the cheapest and can be great options for light users and especially for families. You get 1 gig for $15, 3 gigs for $30, and 10 gigs for $60. What makes these plans great for families is that all of the data is shareable with up to 10 lines. And there are no additional line access fees, so you literally just pay for the data and can share it with up to 10 lines on one account. This means a family of 4 can get the $60 10 gig plan, and each person will be able to use roughly 2.5 gigs, with the cost per line coming out to just $15. You also get access to Xfinity's Wi-Fi hotspots. When you connect to a hotspot, your data usage doesn't count against your shared data pool. If you're someone who's a lighter user and lives near a bunch of Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots, I think it's totally possible to turn one of these by the gig plans into an affordable option for your family. What's also awesome is the by the gig plans have priority data. Having priority data means anytime the Verizon network is busy, like at an airport, a sporting event, a concert, or even in a city during rush hour, your speeds will be slightly faster than everyone else's. How much of a difference does this make? Honestly, it's tough to say, but it is a nice feature, and if you're on Xfinity by the gig, you'll get the exact same speeds and performance as someone who's paying for an $80 or $90 postpaid plan from Verizon themselves. The second type of plan Xfinity Mobile offers is their unlimited plan. This starts at $45 per line for single line users. However, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this plan isn't actually unlimited. So what does Xfinity Mobile's $45 plan include? It turns out that this plan includes 20 gigabytes of high-speed data before having speeds throttled to 1.5 megabits per second down and 750 kilobits per second up. This is actually plenty of data for most people. Cisco's annual internet report estimates that 82% of users consume less than 20 gigs of data per month. So for a majority of customers, they'll never notice the slower speeds on Xfinity. But for the people who do use over 20 gigs of cellular data per month, are the 1.5 megabit per second download and 750 kilobit per second upload speeds enough to call this plan unlimited? Well, as my podcast co-host Dennis has pointed out, 1.5 megabits per second is fast enough to stream 480p video. So technically, this plan does include unlimited video streaming, which sounds like a quality of a true unlimited plan. But the capped speeds are still slow. Content will take a couple of seconds longer to buffer and load, and the slower upload speed in particular will impact video chat applications like FaceTime, Google Duo, Zoom, and more. I posted a poll on Twitter asking if people would sign up for a hypothetical plan that was truly unlimited, but that always capped speeds at 1.5 megabits per second down and 750 kilobits per second up. And Twitter responded with a resounding no. Over 80% of respondents wouldn't sign up for the plan. I posted the same question here on YouTube and got similar results. So for me personally, I don't feel this is enough to label Xfinity Mobile's plan as a true unlimited plan. Instead, I think it's better to think of it as a 20 gig plan. That said, it can still be a great affordable option for a lot of people, so what else are you getting with this plan? As I mentioned, you get 20 gigs of high-speed data, but the data here is deprioritized. This means if you're in a crowded area and the Verizon network is busy, then your speeds may be slightly slower than people who are paying for priority network access. Hotspot speeds are also capped at 600 kilobits per second. Video streams at 480p, and a unique feature is Xfinity gives you full access to their network of Wi-Fi hotspots. When you connect to an Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot, your data usage doesn't count against your 20 gig high-speed allotment, and you'll get the fastest speeds available based on the current conditions of the hotspot you're connected to. There are 4 additional features to Xfinity Mobile's plan. Number 1 is you can make international calls and texts for pay-as-you-go rates that you can find on Xfinity Mobile's website. Number 2 is if you make a lot of calls to Canada or Mexico, you can purchase the Canada and Mexico Call Pass that gives you unlimited calling instead of having to pay per minute. Number 3 is you can enable international data roaming to get coverage when you travel abroad. This system also uses a pay-as-you-go model for minutes, texts, and megabytes of data. And number 4, you can purchase an HD pass for $20 that enables priority data and gives you up to 720p video streaming. What I also love about Xfinity Mobile is they support all the features you need: voice over LTE, Wi-Fi calling, 5G access, and of course the add-ons for the international features. What's notable here is Xfinity Mobile supports access to Verizon's ultra-wideband millimeter wave 5G network. This boasts speeds up to 2 gigabits per second, and Xfinity Mobile's plan is the cheapest plan to offer that experience. You can also add smartwatches and tablets to your plan, something not available with other plans in this price category. Smartwatches are $10 and tablets are $10 to add, but they also count as a second line. So 1 smartphone line plus 1 tablet line would come out to a total of $90 per month for the unlimited plan. Xfinity Mobile basically offers the same service, features, and benefits as getting a plan from Verizon directly, but at a fraction of the cost. And with Xfinity Mobile's new family discount, that's exactly who they are targeting. Previously, Xfinity Mobile's $45 unlimited plan was $45 per line, regardless of how many lines you had. Now, with their family discount, you can get 4 lines for just $30 per line. And you can have up to 10 lines, which drops the price down to as low as $24 per line. These discounts are a great value. Compared with Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, Xfinity Mobile's plan is the cheapest option, even compared with the entry-level offerings from the major providers. And that is exactly why the press release Xfinity said their plan was the lowest entry price for unlimited data on the market. But it turns out this is nowhere close to true. Visible and US Mobile both offer true unlimited plans on the Verizon network with no slowdowns and no speed throttling based on your usage for just $40 and $45 per month, respectively, with all taxes and fees included. And when you have 4 lines, the price drops to just $25 per line, below what Xfinity Mobile is offering. Sure, Visible and US Mobile don't support the same features as Xfinity, like smartwatch support, the same international features, the option to purchase priority data, or even the same experience on Verizon's ultra-wideband 5G network, but for many people, I think they are better options. They're more affordable, and in some cases, they do offer better features than Xfinity. For example, Visible includes unlimited hotspot data at 5 megabits per second, compared with Xfinity, which caps hotspot speeds at 600 kilobits per second. And neither Visible nor US Mobile will slow down your data speeds after you use 20 gigabytes. So where does that leave Xfinity Mobile? Honestly, I still think they can be a great option for some people. Their by the gig plans are great for families with low data usage, and they deliver a premium experience with priority network access. And their unlimited plan, or as we decided to call it, their 20 gig plan, still offers a great value with its excellent feature support and affordable family discount. Xfinity Mobile even allows you to finance your device over monthly installments. Again, an option that's missing from the other carriers. What do you think of Xfinity Mobile? Let me know with a comment down below. Also, be sure to check out my website, BestPhonePlans.net, to easily compare the best cell phone plans available on the Verizon network. Click the like button if you found this video helpful, and Patreon supporters can now vote on what video I make next. What video do you want to see next? T-Mobile's tablet and hotspot plans explained, AT&T's tablet and hotspot plans explained, or Verizon's tablet and hotspot plans explained? Cast your vote by joining the Patreon at the link in the video description, and get subscribed so you don't miss the next video. I'm Stetson, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.